Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error Windows cannot access the specified device, path, or file when launching a game on PC. First, close the game if it is currently running. Now, open your game launcher and go to your game library. Right-click on the game and select Manage or Browse Local Files. This will open the folder where the game is installed. In the installation folder, find the game's .ex file. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here you will see the option Run this program as an administrator. If this option is checked, simply uncheck it. Then click Apply and OK. If your game also has a launcher file, repeat the same steps for that file as well. Open Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and make sure Run this program as an administrator is unchecked. Once done, close the folder and launch the game again. The error should now be fixed. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.